In the United States, the government can't simply take your property, snoop through your personal records, or come into your home unless it's responding to a genuine emergency or has permission from a judge, a warrant. The right to be secure in your person and property is protected by the Fourth Amendment, and there's a good reason why it's one of the pillars of the Bill of Rights. In the run-up to the American Revolution, agents of the king were granted permission to enter any home or business. Americans rightly saw these general warrants as a grave violation of the notion that your home is your castle. So, when James Madison drafted amendments to the new Constitution, there was broad agreement that Americans had to be protected from unreasonable searches and seizures. But what many Americans don't know is that the Fourth Amendment is now under attack. Over many years, court rulings have turned the Fourth Amendment into Swiss cheese, full of holes that law enforcement uses to barge into our private spaces or search our private papers and records without an emergency or a warrant. Networked computers make it easier than ever for the government to snoop on financial transactions and private telecommunications. Americans are astonished to find that their bank and telephone records lack any protections from government snooping, and officials in many states can even demand your medical records without a warrant. Surveillance technology is more sophisticated and affordable than ever. Shockingly, government agents can come onto private property and install cameras to monitor you because many federal and state courts have said that you're only entitled to rights inside your home or in the immediate area outside it. Don't want to keep your valuables at home? Renting a security deposit box or a storage unit might seem like a safe way to secure your stuff. But federal agents might seize your property along with hundreds of other boxes because it thinks your desire for privacy makes you suspicious. These real-world abuses have grown as government agents have exploited these holes to seize as much information as possible. It is long past time for the Supreme Court to recognize our right to be secure, as the Fourth Amendment guarantees. The Institute for Justice's project on the Fourth Amendment will strengthen Americans' right to be secure in their persons, papers, and property using all the tools available to it, including litigation, legislation, activism, and outreach. It will ensure that outside of true emergencies, government agents need to get a warrant before they pry into our private lives. That all of our property, including our land and the information we share with others, gets full constitutional protection. And that our desire for privacy is not cause for suspicion, but an American birthright. Without a vigilant effort to fight back against government agencies constantly looking to exploit exceptions and create new ones, one of our most fundamental, important constitutional rights will be undermined.